how to add TRX for USDT network fees on MoonPay. Now, thanks to an integration between MoonPay and Tron DAO, you often do not need to add TRX for gasless USDT transactions on TRON. If your setup requires native gas tokens, buy a small amount of TRX like $1 to $3 worth directly via MoonPay or transfer it from an exchange. Now how it works is that MoonPay's trade infrastructure abstracts Tron network fees, rolling the necessary gas cost directly into your transaction using the assets you already hold. Where it applies is that features like gas-like Tron's transfer first rolled out via partner applications such as Trust Wallet, letting you send TRC20 USDT without upholding separate TRX. And if you want to buy TRX manually if required, right? Because if you are using a legacy wallet or interface that still enforces the native TRX gas requirements, you have to open the crypto wallet or the MoonPay widget or app, then select Tron or TRX from the asset list instead of USDT and enter a small purchase amount. So right over here, I'll go ahead and select that. And let me just type in TRX right here. And you can see Tron. Now I can enter a small purchase amount right here, typically $3. Let's say I want to buy for $3, you'll see how much I will get, and this will cover multiple transfers, and you can simply complete the checkout over here. So I can go ahead and put the minimum purchase and I can tap on next, and I can enter a couple of other payment details, and once done I'll be able to go ahead and then buy TRX manually if required. But you do not often need to add TRX for gasless USDT transactions on TRON. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.